Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to get started with MotionIt AI. We are here to guide you through every step, making sure you harness the full potential of this revolutionary platform that simplifies and elevates slide creation using the power of artificial intelligence. Whether you are a student preparing for an important class presentation, a teacher aiming to deliver engaging lectures, or a business professional crafting impactful slides for a crucial meeting, MotionIt AI is your indispensable partner. So, let's begin our journey with MotionIt AI. First, open your preferred web browser and type www.motionit.ai into the address bar. Hit the enter key and you'll be instantly transported to the MotionIt AI website, your gateway to effortless and elegant slide creation. Once you're on the MotionIt AI website, you will notice a prominent and inviting Try It button. Clicking on this button initiates the process of creating your MotionIt AI account. But here is a crucial tip. Make sure to leave the checkboxes for subscribe to our newsletter, and I agree to the terms and conditions check. This step is essential because it ensures a smooth account creation process. If you leave them unchecked, you won't be able to proceed. Once those checkboxes are taken care of, simply click on Sign In with your Google account. It is quick, it is easy, and now you have a MotionIt AI account at your fingertips. Now that you have successfully signed in, you will find yourself in the MotionIt AI dashboard. This is where the magic happens and where you will embark on your journey to create captivating slides with ease. Within the dashboard, you will discover three main categories, each tailored to cater to different needs. The first category is Text to Slides. With this feature, you can enter any text, and MotionIt AI's advanced templates will transform it into a unique, engaging slide deck. Say goodbye to the laborious process of manually formatting slides and hello to streamlined, visually stunning presentations. Whether you are a student with a research paper to present or a professional delivering a report, this feature will save you valuable time and effort. Moving on to the second category, we have Web Page to Slides. This remarkable feature allows you to convert any web page into a comprehensive slide deck. Imagine the convenience of effortlessly incorporating valuable online content into your presentations, making your material richer, more interactive, and up-to-date. It is a game changer for educators and professionals who want to stay on the cutting edge of information. Last but certainly not the least, we have the Document to Slides category. Here, you can upload a various document formats, including PDFs, and watch as MotionIt AI distills the information into clear and engaging slides. This feature is a real-time saver when you have documents to present and want to make them visually appealing without the headache of manual design. It is perfect for those business reports, research findings, or lecture notes that deserve a polished and professional look. But hold on, there's even more. MotionIt AI goes above and beyond with slides with notes, and then slides without notes. Slide with notes is your go-to option for live presentations. It optimizes your slides for real-time delivery, complete with speaker notes to guide and support you during your talk. This feature is a lifesaver when you need to maintain a smooth flow during a presentation and ensure you cover all the key points effectively. While dense slides without notes is perfect for creating presentations tailored for independent viewing. With this option, you can design slides that contain comprehensive information and visuals, effectively conveying your message without the need for a live presenter. This is ideal for documents and presentations that may be consumed at the viewer's own pace. With MotionIt AI's wide array of features and customization options, you have the creative freedom to produce presentations that perfectly align with your objectives and audience. Whether you are looking to impress in a live presentations or deliver a self-paced content-rich message, MotionIt AI has got you covered. And there you have it. You have just completed your initiation into the world of MotionIt AI. Armed with its AI-powered slide creation capabilities, you will save time and create stunning presentations effortlessly. So, Go ahead, explore the features, and start making your slides with MotionIt AI today. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.